Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will see a insert operation. Basically, there are three type of insert operation. First is insert one, then second is insert many, and third is simply insert operation. So we will see one by one. So firstly, tell about insert one operation. In this operation, it accept only one JavaScript object. Means it accept only one key value pairs. So what is key value pairs? We will see in this video. So let's get started. Firstly, I have to start my MongoDB server. So Mongo sh. Now my server is started. If you does not know about how to start the server, then you can watch our first tutorial in which I have installed a Mongo shell and MongoDB server. So next command is we have to see our databases. For that, uh, we write a command show databases. Now this is all our databases in which we in a previous video we have created a eagle database base. Now we use it. So you write command use eagle. Now switch to eagle. Now we are in a this database eagle. Now uh, we will show we want to see a collection inside a eagle. For that, write command show collection. Now there is a one collection. There is only one collection that is empty. Sorry, employee collection. Now we have to see a document inside the employee. For that, write a command db and employee name, collection name that is employee. Then find open bracket close bracket enter. Now there is a three documents inside a employee collection, that is name, employee name, e name means employee name Ram, employee number 8, employee name Raj, employee number 9, employee name John, employee number 7. Now we have to add a one employee that's name is Sham. So write command db dot insert insert one and in curly bracket write that is key and value. In a starting, firstly we know what is key and what is value. So this is a key and this is a value. Means employee name is a key and Ram is a value. And in this case, employee number is a key and 8 is a value. So these all are key value pairs. Okay. So here is a key value. So first now we have to use a command that is insert one, in which we have to use it is used to insert only one document. So that this command we can use. This command name is insert one command. In insert one operation. So write command db insert one minute. Write command db then our collection name that is employee. Then write insert one and in curly bracket write a command that write a key value pair that is employee name. So we want to give a name of employee that is Sham. Now we want to give a number that is employee number. Then employee number is we will set a employee number that is 6 and close curly bracket close close bracket press enter. Acknowledgement true means our document is inserted successfully. If you want to see a document, then write command db dot collection name, that is employee dot find. Now this new document is uh, inserted successfully, that is Sham, and employee number is 6. This is a insert one operation. Now we will see a insert many operation. For a insert many operation, uh, its name indicate that is insert many, in which it accept a many JavaScript objects, or it accept many uh, key value pairs. Uh, so in which we can insert a mini document in one command. So let's see db dot then collection name employee dot insert many, then in bracket. Now we have to add a one bracket, then a curly bracket. Then we need to write that is employee name. We will put a employee name that is Rohan. Then employee number, that is 5. Then we have to add a second employee, then that is means second document. For that we have to put a second curly bracket, in which we have to write a employee name, that Rohan. After the Rohan we have to add a to Mohan. Mohan. Then employee name number, that is 4. Now this 2m I want to insert this two document in insert many. Then after closing this curly bracket, I will close this bracket and open bracket, close bracket. Then I want to press enter. After pressing enter, this is acknowledgement is true, means our document is successfully created successfully, and our document through our object ID. This is our object ID for first document, and this object ID for second document. This what is object ID we will see in our next video, but now we'll see our we'll see our documented. For that we have to write a command for seeing our documents. Employ, sorry, uh, firstly I have to exit it, I have to clear it. Now I have to type a command that is for seeing our document is inserted successfully or not. Employ, that is our collection name, then find. Now see our all documents are successfully inserted. Firstly we insert a Sham document, Sham, and then we insert a Rohan and Mohan. Okay, so this is a insert many operation. Now this last operation we have to see, that is a insert operation. In this operation we use this operation is used insert operation is used to insert a one document or a multiple document, means its work as a both. In both the cases we work a insert operation. If you want to insert one document, if you want to insert many document, we can insert a simply write a insert operation. So we see syntax of insert operation, that is db, then employee dot means employee means our collection name, then type insert. After that you have to put a name, that is employee name, Now the employee name is Ayush and employee number is 89. Now I want to put a second employee because we can insert a multiple documents in insert operation. So in both in between two document always mention one comma. Okay. Then second employee name is Mangesh. Employee number that is 88. Okay. Close curly bracket, close bracket, press enter. Acknowledgement true means our document is inserted successfully. For seeing that our document is successfully inserted or not, write a command db dot employee dot find. Now our document is successfully inserted. Okay, so this is our today's video. In this video, we will see we have already see insert operation in which insert one, insert many, and insert operation